I'm just making a donut.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Alright guys, come now, come
Wait,
now.
what was that one thing again?
The key to the alarm.
Ready for school?
Tomorrow, 2 days.
Oh, today's swimming too.
Going outside, but Mrs. Smith, you're wasting time.
Pungsy, pungsy.
My turn.
Ivy, how you going without your bag?
Just in case.
Alright, Ivy, come kiss me. Love you. Have a great day. You look beautiful. Remember your ties in your bag, okay? If you need it. Because it's tie day. There might be rain today, so...
Careful, mama. Hello, you're a big girl? You're a big girl? But you walk with water buckle and bag. Come, let me help you. Careful. Jackson, you're going the wrong way, bro. Atlas, come.
I could not possibly tell you about it. You see me?
Wash my handsome son then.
Okay. I will. Bye.
Bye. Hi. Good morning. Bye, guys. Yo, me and Gio and one of my producers from back when I was younger, who made me sound really wicked, is also making Gio sound really wicked right now. No jokes. So we have like 2 songs recorded that I'm really excited about, and I don't get excited about songs easy. Them have to tick a whole heap of boxes, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And these songs are just like, they want to chop them out the sound. I can't wait to share with you guys. Don't know, it's like M10 from the early warning. New music is on the way. Not just new music, but good music is on the way. So don't feel no way right now. I go through the jungle right now, so camera kind of jumpy. We'll pick up that later. But I'm very proud of Gio. Proud of him and the effort that he put out in the last couple of days. It's really been impressive.
Yeah.
Where music is concerned, because he's also working and doing the things. So proud of him and that aspect of things. He's balancing life, you know, like, you know, that's the modern way of doing things. Follow your passion, but you also pay the bills. You know what I'm saying? Okay, no, this camera is completely out of sync. Brother, you're supposed to be my navigator.
Good morning, MTN. This is how you know the day I'm having. It's 10 o'clock and I just ate some breakfast and I was really stuck behind. Again, my computer trying to organize the weeks ahead, not just 1 week, but are a couple things happening, meetings, recordings, and then also things like Spirit Day, Sports Day, you know the drill, swim meets coming up. So I just had to be looking at all of the dates that are happening and try to the fan need to clean. I know. Just pretend like you didn't see it. It's real life over here, guys. We're trying to organize all of those things and, you know, make sure that everybody stays on track for what they have to get done. So, yeah. I was literally sat right here. Let me show you. That's my little office right now because, as you guys know, we are trying our best to get everything sorted upstairs. So, I don't know, guys. If they finish this week, there's a good chance that I can have the room all set and ready to go next week, by next weekend. So pray for us. I hope that we can actually get it done. That would be a really nice thing for him, and I think it would be nice once it's done. And I'm trying to just make it a little more a room that can grow with him. That's important because I won't be doing this for a long time. probably it will stay like that until him gone to college. Yeah, that's the idea. And he's also not at that stage where he wants anything kiddie. He's asked for like, you know, the LED lights in his room, and he likes things. I mean, I've been kind of snooping and just kind of checking with him. Like, he likes, you know, kind of like dark furniture and like wall art, and, you know, like he's not into like action figures, obviously. So yeah, I'm happy for him. Anyway, let me go get myself together. I have a couple things to do today, and just as always, keep you guys posted, take you along, and we'll go for it. Yeah, so stay with us. All right, guys, so I am dressed, ready to go, and I'm heading out now because I'm gonna actually be picking up Tess, and we're gonna go to deliver something to a friend of ours. I think we have a couple errands to run, but we're gonna be doing that together. So Wayne is gonna go grab Ivy, maybe do those pickups for me, so that I can get this side of it done. Took me a long time to get started today. You know how that can be sometimes, where like you're going and you get kind of stuck in a task. And so I got stuck in a task today, or a couple tasks. But I'm glad to say that Mitch is upstairs doing the electrics. The guys are working on the drywall, and it looks like everything is coming together. So now it's just a matter of, I need to go and pick a wall color. Oh boy. You know me though, I'm sticking to plain Jane gray. It's just the easiest thing. Tisha and Mo are helping me to get my office space back together so that I can move back upstairs, because that's key. All right, so let me go pick up Tessan and we'll go from there. Oh, look at his hair. We did our drop off, and now we are picking up 1 and 2 package. Sissy, I think you have some packages from at your house.
No, babe.
You picked up some stuff for me, remember?
You're right. It's in the back of the car.
Told you.
It's nothing edible, is it?
I
It's
hope-
lived there for a while.
Oh my God. We're going to take this opportunity to say, have you guys listened to the most recent episode of Seen and Heard?
With Mom,
We have Nana on.
Nana Fowl.
And it is 10
Lovely.
questions you need to ask the woman who raised you. That's how I worded it.
That's a good way.
Yeah.
That's a good way.
And it's so nice.
In honor
and
of Women's Month.
exactly.
Women's
And
Day.
super enlightening.
Yeah.
So you guys can go and check that out. We are growing over at Seen and Heard, just FYI. And if you want to join the
Growing like a
circle,
newborn, babe.
if you want to join the circle, as we call it, head over to our channel there, which is always somewhere in our description box here. Or you can just look up Seen and Heard, JE. What is something you wish your daughters never doubt about themselves?
That they're enough in every way and in everything. That just they're enough. Don't have to be anybody else, because you will grow to be more, but at every time you will be enough. If you could just know that, then you wouldn't worry about, did I shout after the children? Oh, I'm so guilty. You're enough, just as you are.
Speaking of Women's Day, yesterday I had the pleasure of going to a wonderful event that Flo put on. That Flo put on. And
like
this is why it was interesting to me. It was like speed dating, but mentoring.
I love that.
So everybody got like 8 minutes to
great
sit
concept.
with women who are, you know, exceptional in their field, seniors in their field, experts in their field. So basically it's just all these women on the Flow team who got an opportunity to have, you know, a moment to just exchange. And it really was an exchange. So me, I talk to people, so them I talk to me, I learn from them. It was this idea of give to gain.
I love that.
I loved it.
I just started to think, like, if we had that opportunity, who I'd want, like, my dream speed mentor, like, for it to be.
Who do you want 8 minutes with?
I don't, Mia Motley.
I love Mia Motley. I would just fangirl though.
Yeah. Miriam Margolyes. She's a British treasure, darling.
I would want like Dr. Becky.
You
You
want
know,
some like
I'm getting self-help. I want Brené Brown. And I want that Orna thing there who does the Esther Perel. I want Orna who does the marriage counseling. I want all of those women.
I think about
That's a good question. Anyway, we are about to
Shelley Ann Fraser Price.
Oh, I love her.
I love her.
I feel so lucky that we bump into her like from time to time. Like we take it so for granted in Jamaica that we literally bump into
are among legends.
Yeah, we're literally living among legends. It's crazy.
Record breakers.
From music to sports
Record
to
breakers.
arts. It's crazy.
Yeah.
I was just listening to a podcast with Malcolm Gladwell, and he is talking about, you know, his mom who was Jamaican, and just talking about the word Jinal, and just explained it in the most beautiful way possible.
I've never heard it explained like that, but it made complete sense.
Yeah.
And it captured the essence.
He was saying how Jinal is something his mother would call him when he did something mischievous, but she would say it in a way that he would know that he did something naughty, but it would say that it would mean that when she called him a Jinal, what she really was saying is that I recognize that this is something in you I want to keep alive.
I just love that so much.
It's that little naughtiness, that little cheekiness. I think about that with Ozzy a lot. And Atlas, there's a little naughtiness in them and cheekiness that we don't want to stomp out of them. And I think sometimes as parents we almost feel like if our children are a little cheeky or naughty, that they're so rude and naughty and they're disrespectful. They're just kids.
And that is what is going to take them
through life.
Yeah. That grit.
And we ought not to stomp it all out of them, you know?
No, it's so true.
Think about how much was stomped out of us.
Oh, the world's stomped enough.
Come on, if it's not your parents, it's going to be a teacher, your siblings, your friends, you know.
Just the world, internet troll.
Yeah, there's some parts of our kids that we need to really recognize and recognize that we want to keep alive in them. I love that. All right, well, let's go do what we have to do, because I'm also, if the rain holds up, trying to get Ivy into a swimming class today.
Nigella Lawson.
Love her. I want to meet Nigella though in the kitchen at 12 midnight by the refrigerator.
That's what, that would be my mentoring session date. That would be the scene.
I want 8 minutes with her. Yeah. I would love that.
I want to be eating the eggs in purgatory with her.
I'm sorry?
There's a meal that she has.
I was like, I don't want, what do you mean?
You eat it after like you have a hangover or something. And it's
eggs in purgatory.
I still want to sit with Celine because I still love her.
I know. It's fine.
Glennon.
Love Glennon. I need to give Glennon a hug.
I like Glennon.
I would like to sit with her sister, Amanda. Drop a comment who you would want to sit with. This is not seen and heard, but do drop a comment if you had the opportunity to sit with a woman,
an inspired,
departed or here.
Oh, you didn't say departed.
Well, why not? Suppose you could do. I don't want to sit with Frida Kahlo. Oh my
Maya
gosh.
Angelou, for sure.
Frida Kahlo. I would want to know how the hell she finds in herself a lie down in the hospital bed day after day for go paint. Miss Maya
Angelou.
And I would love to talk to my grandmothers again.
Oh yes, as at this age and stage of life.
I'd love to learn more.
Absolutely.
And know more.
Absolutely.
Yeah. That went a bit sad, didn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Well, we'll be right back after this short break.
Hello.
Hello.
I want to know what letter you worked on. What's that in your hand? Read your paper.
O.
What letter?
This is O.
No.
What is it?
Is it Q?
Yes, it's Q.
Big Q and baby Q? Awesome. Guess what we have today?
Swimming.
Swimming! Are you excited?
Yes. Let's go sing.
Yeah. You want to go change?
Yes. And there's swimming clothes in my bag.
Okay. When Ivy na have swimming in her, she in a swimsuit in her, so you know, say She was born ready for this. Alright, so whole heap of work going on at the yard, you know. The electric stuff is being worked on now. To Mitch is there. Junior them are work on the drywall and the roof. Them actually seal up the window that was there. That was that had to be worked on too. Fix up some tiles upstairs. Yeah, I do some work, man. I do some work. Anytime the workman them come in, them have to just fix up anything we need to fix up in the vicinity, you see me? So I kill a few birds with one stone.
Hey. Excuse me. Are you ready to go swimming?
Today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go get ready.
Okay, it's in my bag.
All right. It's in your bag? Let me see which one you packed. Super.
And I got a hat.
Oh, you gonna wear the hat too? It's a good idea. All right. Well, let's go get ready because we have to go.
Okay.
All right.
You pick me up.
I'll take you. I'll take you.
Gonna do well? Wow, you excited.
Mommy, I'm going to swim. I'm going to swim, Mama.
Ready.
How you gonna swim? Show me.
Let's go.
Bye.
Alright,
Say see you later, alligators.
bye.
Whoa! Woo!
Good job.
Good job, Ivy.
Gonna catch up us?
Swimmer girl. My little wet rat. Hi, swimmer girl.
She's cold and she needs a snack. Started to rain, so
Oh,
come on.
I'm wet.
You are wet. It's
Yeah,
okay.
come.
on.
how was it, swimmer girl?
Let's go get you washed off and changed, mommy.
Ebook?
She was fine. At the end, she said that the water got in her nose, and so she didn't want to do it anymore.
Oh man.
But I told her that's how it is sometimes.
Yeah, that's how it is
Water will
sometimes.
get in the nose.
I would just blow.
But she did really well. You want me to show Daddy? Okay.
I wanna see
And let me show you too, okay?
the turban.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Ready.
Big boys.
Ready.
Big boys need big toys.
Ready now. First look. That's your first look? No, more. We need to see this. Hold on. Hold on, light, roll on.
Cha-cha.
It's not even up way, huh?
Fly him up now, bro.
Oh, wrong way, wrong way. Oh, wait. Oh, it's so big. They're so big.
You say you wanted those big ones, right?
Yes. It's so big.
Can't miss no play now.
Beautiful. Where's mommy?
Mommy ordered for you.
Yes, man. So
So tell her thanks and hug her up.
Down, Millie, down.
Ozzy, how you did that in spelling?
Good.
What you got?
8 out of 12.
8 out of?
12.
12, okay.
Improvement.
Big improvement. Good, good, good.
Give me my
Bro, what that? Yeah, crochet?
yeah,
You know for crochet?
yeah.
Daddy, come
What
on.
do you make?
I'm just making a donut.
Daddy, come on.
Donut?
Yeah. I need to make a bigger hole though.
Daddy. Daddy.
Yes, books?
Let's play backgammon.
Backgammon. You
Come
just try
on.
double six, you win.
Come on, Daddy.